Holy crap, boys. Holy crap. I missed a week, but I'm back. I missed you guys. Dubai was a trip. We are here. Bitcoin touching 91,000 US dollars right now. And that's not even the spiciest thing that I think is going to happen today. Follow me here. Hopefully people start tuning in. We're live very early because I'm up early. I'm a little still off the time. Still off the time jet lag. What do you call it? But I'm getting there. We're good. Happy to be back. Things are looking spicy. I'm very sorry that I was gone. We got a lot to look at today. Could you please subscribe, hit the like button, hype up the stream. We're in uncharted territory here. What lies ahead, who knows? We can see the sell-off by the end of the stream. We can see 100K by the end of the stream. Really, everything is in play at the moment. And I'm glad to share this moment with you guys right here, right now. Let me set things up. I wasn't even ready to do this because this just took me by surprise. Oh, the road, baby, you know it. Took me by surprise. I thought at least we'd have a little bit today, but here we are. Man. Where to even start? The Dubai stories will have to wait because we got stuff to look at. I'm still catching up with the charts. I know you are too. What's up, Two Big Paws? Mr. Schmady, Ace of Hearts, Stash House, Crypto Steve-O, Fried, Jess, Kception. Who else is here? Josh, Michael, Justin, David. How you doing, man? Bizen, happy 91K. Happy 91K to you. I saw a really great tweet today. You didn't buy Bitcoin at like 1 digit. You didn't buy Bitcoin at 2 digits. You didn't buy Bitcoin at 3 digits, 4 digits. Are you going to buy Bitcoin before it hits 6 digits? I don't know. Some people just hopeless at this point. Where should we even start? I feel so out of it. I feel so ready for spice. It's finally like hitting me slowly. The 80,000s, it was exciting, but it just didn't feel quite like home yet. There we go. Back under 90K. Cool. Give me some time to think. Bitcoin. Really locally, we did break our all-time high just moments ago. Bears and bulls battling it out here. We are in price discovery with no real resistance above us and potentially the only support sitting right here being tested just under 90,000. Let's put that on the chart. 89.9. Yes. Feels good. Sounds good, right? Where do we think we're going, guys? I can tell you where I think we're going. But I don't know where you guys think we're going. By the end of the year, where do you think, chat? Good. You think we're going 100K? Think we're going higher than 100K? It's going to be interesting. I learned a lot of very eye-opening things in Dubai, which I'll share some of the stuff with you. I can't share everything. I signed a non-disclosure agreement on something, so very spicy content. But though I can't share some of that, I certainly will be using it in my analysis, and that's going to be some good stuff going forward. I think maybe let's zoom out and get a perspective, you know? Maybe the day for that, maybe not. Bears in shambles yet again on this chart. The fourth quarter of this year, blasting off. A month and 19 days. It's almost hard to imagine this kind of explosive energy could last for another month and 20 days. I don't know. If we move at this pace into the end of the year, that might be an unrealistic thing, right? During these times, we have to keep realistic. We have to keep our emotions in check a little bit. We should certainly enjoy it. That's what we've been saying. Certainly enjoy the gains. We've suffered, man. This has been a long journey, and you have made it. If you're here right now, if you're hearing my voice, you've made it. To my knowledge, I haven't seen too many new investors jump in. Maybe they're coming. We've been speculating a certain number that hasn't hit yet that may draw their attention. Coming up soon. But this has been a ride, man. A ride. Let me see something. Let me throw on some of this. You know, I've not been connected with the charts for the last week. What a time to go on a vacation. Well, a vacation, work trip, right? What a time. Let's go down to this month. Remember October being canceled? I remember that. Remember August? 59K or 49K. It was over. Man. Things age so crazily in this space. Monthly looking awesome. We looked at this actually at the beginning of the month. Marketcipher B giving us the green dot on the month. This had not happened since October of last year. That was really the theme of all of our analysis through the last all through last month. Our theme was everything seems to be lining up exactly like the October we saw last year. Market basically momentum flipped, huge green candle in October, into November, into December, and that continued all the way into March. Maybe that's some good timing for this rally. Well, I don't really expect Bitcoin to be able to hold this momentum over 6 months. I think we would be at an infinity. I think that we can see some solid uptrend really into the end of Q1 of next year, 2025. Would not surprise me to then again see a summer lull. Remember, this has happened almost every single summer. Even in 2021, summer brought us some sideways down action. We did hit a new all-time high, but that was really the end. This happened in 2020, 2019. It is almost too easy. It's almost too perfect. Maybe it's time to just accept that this is a cyclical thing that behaves very consistently. It is a scheduled inflation mechanism, and the world is kind of in chaos right now, seeking a little stability and maybe finding that in the corn in this moment. In this freaking moment. Jeez. Okay, here's what we should do. I think I already did this guy. Boom. 95K. We're looking for 95K. The last time we streamed Wednesday. By when? By probably soon. 95K is a great target for the short term. I have my long open still. Probably take some profit there. Really great target. Using our Fib tool, our 1618 extension points to 95,000. We have been speculating that 100K, when we see that decimal move over, similarly to in 2017, when we moved from, it was like 1K to 20K. As soon as that decimal moved at 10,000, that's when everyone and their mom jumped in to watch it 2x and then pretty much get wrecked. But the decimal moving is really the retail signal. It's when people are forced to notice. People that weren't paying attention can't not pay attention anymore. That's my thesis. And I think that is really well lined up with 95,000. 95,000 kind of tickles that number. It brings us up. The people in the space feel the energy, but retail doesn't quite notice yet. I think we see 95, some kind of pullback, maybe the first pullback of this rally. And then maybe into the next year, we see that 100,000 break. And that is when everything goes absolutely bonkers. Absolute bonkers. So I said, there's something even spicier than the Bitcoin chart. We've been waiting, and I'm going to show you that right now. So Bitcoin, obviously, I can't take my eyes off it. This is incredible, but this is honestly the only thing that is even more incredible. Let's move over to this chart. Perhaps the only thing more important than Bitcoin, the total crypto market cap right in front of us, right here. In November of 21. The total crypto market cap hit $3 trillion. In March, despite Bitcoin hitting an all-time high, we didn't really even come close to that number. In the last 48 hours, we have, it depends how you look at this. On the 24-hour chart, we haven't broken the high. Let me see on the day. On the 24-hour chart, we have. On the 24-hour chart, we have broken the high. On the daily chart, we have not, which doesn't make any sense. It should be the same data. For some reason, they're not. 3 trillion is that magic number. So let's zoom in here on this total chart and see that yesterday, despite closing red, we have touched the 3 trillion mark. We have said once this breaks the real bull, you guys know we've been in a bull market since November of 22, arguably January 1st of 23, but this is when the real bull starts. This is when all the dreams come true. That's a little kind of FOMO-y euphoric talk for you guys, but this is when things really hit the fan to the upside, and I bet you can see it in your bags right now. Virtually everything pumping. Once we break 3 trillion and hold it is when, oh man, that's when it's just over. GG. It's just over. We go off into space. Something I wanted to warn you guys about while I remember right now. There are going to be some very ADD rants here. I'm still on Dubai time. My brain is fueled right now by green candles, as maybe a lot of you are out there. This is something I wanted to bring up. This is the alpha from watching these cycles, streaming through it live. This is 5 years, baby, going on 6. Right now, a lot of you who have over allocated to certain alts, I can dunk on myself right now with one Litecoin. There are many out there though, many that haven't really made their moves yet. I want to caution everyone that's in this same position. It is very tempting right now. You're seeing things explode and you're having the feeling of, did I choose the wrong horse? Did I pick the only one that's not going to pump? I should jump into something that's pumping, right? This is very natural, very logical. It happens every cycle. I caution you against that. If you have to kind of FOMO into stuff, I would use other capital, maybe other fiat, add to bags, whatever. But right now, I think is the bull danger trap. I say a lot that the bull market is the hard trading for really this reason. What will happen, or at least what we've seen in the past, you can never guarantee the future, but what we've seen in the past is this setup where your coin hasn't moved yet, you jump into another coin, and what happens? That coin stagnates, or that coin stops pumping. You essentially bought a local top in that coin. The coin probably in the future ends up going higher, ends up pumping more, but you start chasing the market up. You start exchanging your bags that are down for bags that are up, and really you just get chopped into oblivion. It is my opinion right now that virtually every altcoin is going to see explosive growth. If yours hasn't yet, you may just be, it may be, I don't know, minutes away, it may be days away, it might be a week, month away, but the biggest mistake I think you can make is to leave something that is stagnant for something that is moving, because you'll find that the second you do, it's like you've entered at the worst time. And the last thing you want to do right now as this gets spicy is to give up the things that you've really fought for and really gone through hell for, and watch that pump without you. You'll see. I don't know if this has happened. Has anyone had this happen yet? Where you have sold a bag that's not moving quite yet in the last like 48 hours and then saw it pump almost instantly? Let me know, because this will happen. This is like the tale as old as time thing. It will absolutely happen. And it is the worst feeling in the world. And basically it's going to set you up to just get wrecked throughout this entire period. Like straight up the entire period. You're going to be hating yourself. You're going to be chasing tops. It's going to put you in a bad spot. So if you can't fight that, which I understand, at least maybe entertain this idea. Instead of selling all of your bag, right? Maybe do half, maybe do a quarter, maybe do 75%. I really think anything under 100 though, because if you do this just to watch it go without you, you're going to hate yourself. And you're going to, honestly, you're going to sit this bull market out whether you want to or not. You're going to make bad choices. So total crypto market cap, where are we going? Fibonacci extension has been such a crazy accurate guide, at least over the last two cycles. Looking back at 2017, our 1618, right up here at 2.8 something trillion, not even 10% off the perfect high. Using that same analysis on our 21 into 22 low, we get about 7.2 trillion, which would imply we are a little bit less than halfway there. A little bit less. It doesn't mean your alt can't go more than 2x. It doesn't mean Bitcoin can't do more than 2x. But this has guided us pretty well, and fingers crossed this holds into this cycle as well. Something I like about this is, in addition, some confluence here, is that our original or 2017 extension, we have our measured move target, our 2, sits at 6.3 trillion. That is a pretty close target to the 1.6 trillion, or 1.6, our 1618, sitting at 7.23 trillion. There's some good confluence here. Well, I don't think that if this touches, right, you see something unbelievable, this touches, right, I don't think that means all out. I do think it means if you have sold nothing by this time, you take some profit, you trim. In reality, you probably want to be taking some profits on before then. But I think if you've sold nothing by this point, it's time to at least come up with a plan. It's time to at least start scaling out of things. Remember, not all in, not all out. But that's the target, man. That's the target. Whether it's coming right now, which I don't know. I think we will trade above 3 trillion, and I think then we will trade back under 3 trillion for a little bit. It's coming, and this will be a really great sign for you. A little kick in the butt. Reminder that only up only lasts for so long until only down comes. And it's a weird time to talk about it, but I think it's an important concept to talk about. While things are blowing up, it's very easy to ignore logic It's very easy to say they're only going to keep going up. That's what's been happening. But that is going to get you caught. You do not want to get caught. I'm telling you. What do we got here, Bitcoin? 91,000 perfect touch. 5-minute wick right back to that previous resistance. Now we're trading sideways. Oh my God. Holy smokers, guys. This is something. We've got something on our hands right now. Give me 1 sec. I had 0 time to go live. I didn't expect to have to go live so early. Let me make sure this is powered up. Let's see. Got the subscriber count down there. That reminds me. If you're sitting here vibing, enjoying the green, please tickle that like button, subscribe, join our fam, jump into the Discord. I'm going to have to put that Discord button. Did that work? Jump into the Discord. Please forgive me for the title today. It's not our style here. We don't do the told you so thing, but let's be real, guys. Not just me. All of us here, we told you so. Bears, it's a mental illness, brother. Charts go up and down. There is times to be bearish, but in the long run, man, if you stay bearish on Bitcoin, it's going to end the same way it always ends. And that ends with basically an old man yelling at a cloud. It's not going to keep going up. It's not up. It's going to 3K. All right, buddy. It's the Amazon.com bubble, right? No shade, bro. No shade. All right. I'm so happy you guys are here with me. Let me show. So out of transparency, I have done nothing with my long. I have effectively made no changes to it. We are up 317% from 70K and counting. And this trade specifically, about 7,000. About 7,000. It's not going to change my life, but it's not nothing. I realized this morning, a lot of you who have been Tom Crown fans for a very long time probably remember we had the Giga Ultra Long. You can't even see it on this chart. Giga Ultra Long from 16K back in January of 23. Due to accidental, I'll be honest, I'm not going to take credit for something that wasn't intentional. Due to accidental reasons, I ended up closing it around 68,000. And I remember at the time being really mad. I was like, I wanted to keep that open. Here we go, 93.1 and counting. Let's go. We're being really mad. Reopened at roughly that same price long. So if you think about it, this long really has just extended through all the way from 16,000. I'm pretty happy about it. I wish it was bigger, obviously. That's the mentality we're going to hear a lot in the next, well, let's say the next year. I wish I'd gone harder. I wish I'd put more in. That kind of logic is going to get you wrecked, honestly. You always could have gone bigger. You always could have gone more leverage. But you always also could have just gotten wrecked right before the move, right? So give yourself some credit. You're here. You made it. You made it, fam. Made it through the hard, well, you made it through the emotionally hard part. Now we're at the hard trading part. So hopefully you've taken the last 3 years to brush up on your trading, on your strategy, on your just everything you could have done. That was your hyperbolic time chamber. You were preparing to fight sell at 91,500, and now we're here. This is when it gets real. 92K coming? Yeah, obvious. I mean, pretty much obvious. If you missed the beginning of this stream, 95,000. This is the short-term target that I'm looking for. Let me clean a lot of this up. Shorter-term target. I would not be surprised to see some move like this to 95, maybe back to all-time high though. Meh, I don't know. That might be a little bit too big. Might be a little bit too big for tracing. We'll take this one step at a time. Wouldn't be surprised to see a little chilling. If we do not see chilling at 95, if we go on to 100,000 before the end of this year, I honestly don't think that's as bullish. I think what we need in the corn right now is to remain under the radar as long as possible. That is really what I think. And I believe the way or the path to that is to stay under 100,000 for as long as possible. We'll find out. We'll find out together right here, baby. So we have infinite things to look at. Infinite things. Like, there's not enough time in the world to look at everything today. We're going to do our best to look at the spiciest, at the most exciting. We're going to do it together. I appreciate the super chats. What's up, Armin? Hey, man, Notcoin. We probably can get into Notcoin at some point. Dragon, 24. You've been holding since March, and now in profits. Pat yourself on the back, my friend. You've done it. You've done it. You've done what most people cannot. You've made it through. What's up, Arthur? Blessings. Can we look at FTM? We probably can. We probably can get onto that FTM. Okay. Did I set everything up, man? I've had so little time today. I woke up, took Beans out. Beans missed me so much. Took Beans out and basically was like, okay, I'm just going to go live a little early. And then I just started even earlier than that. So really low time. Let me get a little low time frame analysis. Hourly, we have some room to the upside. RSI at 73. Obviously overbought, but still you can see these previous peaks. We saw RSI as high as 90 on the hour. Using our fib tool here. Oh, wow. I didn't even notice this. It's pretty hot. Using our fib tool locally, we get 93. Potentially we could see 93 back to here, or our measured move target bring us to 95K. Exactly where we're looking, right? Exactly where we're looking. That's actually pretty spicy. What else we got here? Moving average is not really going to be helpful for us anymore. We got our golden cross in October. You faded it. Sorry, bears. Is what it is. Weekly, there's analysis changes. It's dynamic because as we move farther and farther from, we'll call it our VWAP or our average weighted volume kind of price, a lot of our indicators stop being helpful. They can only really be helpful as downside support targets. So we have to adapt our analysis as price changes. Holy shit, man. 4 hour just curling up now. Look at this money flow. Beautiful, beautiful uptrend. VWAP just rolling over. I don't think this rally's done today. I don't think it's done. Bears got wrecked the whole way. Fair. They usually do. I say that a lot, man. It's bears. They get so much time to gloat and they get so much time to be like, I was right. But at the end of the day, they're always wrong. They're never right if the picture is zoomed out enough. That is why I remain a perma bull. Though price spends very little time moving up. The longer picture, it's always moving up, baby. It's always moving. All right. Can we tell if retail is back yet? It's a good question. We can do some polls here. Let me put up a poll. Also, if you're here today, put a message in chat. Say, I'm here today. Say, I'm bullish. Say, I don't know. Just say whatever you want. Let us know you're here. I think we can do a good poll here because is retail back is the most important question. What's up, Foxy? I see you, brother. It's the most important question we can answer. I still speculate. We've been saying this since like 50K, man, that it's going to be at 100K. But we don't know. That's going to be something that we can use as a community, or we can source as a community to get a better answer. What's up, left field? A message? Bullish on 𝐿, right on, bro. So let's do this. A really good indicator of retail being in is mom and dad, uncle, grandma, guy on the street, whoever, just people not in crypto, reaching out to you because they know you're the crypto guy. I will say right now, my answer is I have not had this happen yet. Which happens first, 1 million for Bitcoin and 1 million subs for Tom Crown. Honestly, we beat Bitcoin to 100K. We might beat Bitcoin to 1 million. I'm not going to lie. So let's do this first. Smash thumbs up. Subscribe. Okay, we got to get that out. Have you had any retail friends reach out about Bitcoin crypto yet? Let's do we'll have like a yes. Yes, they won't stop. Okay, that's like a lot of people are. Many friends, your whole friend group. Yeah, let's say yes, like one person. And then we'll say no, none at all yet. This is gonna be important. It's gonna be important. We're just gonna put those. Those will be our choices. I want your opinions. This matters. This matters. If everyone here is like, yes, they won't stop, maybe it's time to take a little profit, right? It doesn't really matter what the chart says. Whatever price we're at when this starts happening is going to be more important than what the chart says. The charts are so important, but this is more important. Retail coming in has marked the top, or at least the ramp to all-time high, where we get like a 2x in a week and then it's done. It's very important. Can you play the Hey song? What's the Hey song, Paris Fisher? What's up, my friend? I see you put messages in the chat, so let's see who's here. Leroy's here being bullish. What's up, Leroy? Alan Guillermo, 𝐂𝐴𝐐𝐿𝐵𝐿𝐿, Arizona, Arthur, Bryce, Buchan, C. Longacre, Carthago, Chun, Coden. What's up, bro? Crypto Binance. Where did you go? Crypto Binance. It just disappeared. Crypto Binance. Crypto Binance. Crypto Arrow, Crypto Daddy with some of my friend, Crypto Military Vet, Crypto Stevo, DG, David Rodriguez, Darren Wilkes, Dopey, how you doing? Duke Hijinks, Eliko Van Der Wall, Fetty Gator, Foxy Thorny, Gary C, Hendo Visuals, HFG, Inserimus, Irving Durakat, Jackaw, haha, you almost got me. John Lloyd, Josh Kennington, Kai Wonderland, Kai and I had a great time in Dubai. Kai, don't worry, I reached out to you know who and I said, all the hangovers are my fault. Don't be mad at them. I 100% take credit. Lawrence Phillips, Left Field, Magnum DeFi, Mohammed, Matthew Schmeedy, my man, Marlo, Mike Bennett, Mike LSU, Mr. Helinga, Mr. Days, bet you're happy, Jake the Snake, NBF Forum, Nice Noise, dude, we got a lot of people in the house. We better have a lot of likes. Hype it up, boys, hype it up. We got more people coming in hot. 1B Soft, Ping Pong Ting Tong, Peter Provost, Paris Fisher, Nova K, Nostalgic, dude, they're just popping up. Ralph Enjoying the Sun, Randy Greer, Sascha, Sean Aviral, Sergio, Skeet Crow, Stymie, Sushil, Tex Hex, Thashiel. Did I get that one? The Day Trading Doge, Pickle, my right hand man, my friend. I know you're doing well. Pickle, stacking sats over the last few years harder than anybody else I know. The Real Pimmer, the Two-Wheel of, I can't pronounce that. Tony, Yuhri, Vesemir is back. How you doing, brother? Watoshi, Welsh Jesse, I'm sure I missed a lot of them. Sure I missed a lot. New subscriber, what's up, Daniel? How you doing, brother? Life has become gamified, true that. Barefoot Sailing Adventures, I appreciate you, bro. Cheers. This is empty, actually. I need more, but cheers. A little energy drink there. What's up, Tito Gaines? No pickles were harmed in the streaming of this DCA. No, they weren't. The 12th ENT. Price action, only 500 viewers. I know, dude. I know. I don't know what's happening. YouTube, maybe it's punishing me for not going live. Maybe it's like, you haven't been live in a week. Where you at? Nope, let's summon some new viewers together. Let's all click these buttons. Let's double check we've subscribed. We've hit the like button. Share out the stream if you got socials and you want to share it. Vote in the poll. How's the poll doing? None at all yet. Let's go. Exactly where I'm at. None at all. I've had 0 friends reach out so far. I have a feeling, though, that like maybe they'll reach out today. I'm getting this hunch. We'll see. Crypto Crew Noob University kept saying we would never go over 100K this cycle. You know, I don't hate. People are bearish. As a bull, I need bears. I need people to sell for me to buy. That is liquidity. What's up with Pepe? Pepe is running, boys. Is running. Everything's running. Mitch Ray missed the Hey song again. What? What's the Hey song? Hey, what? Stream choppy? That's not good. Let me see. Might be you. If the stream's choppy, maybe you try bringing down the resolution. I don't know. It says it's fine on my end. We'll see. Keep them coming, boys. Clean and fresh. So who missed? What pumps are we looking at? On CoinGecko, I see Peanut. That Peanut not on my radar at all. Now at 1.6 billion market cap, wild. Pepe sitting at 7.7, up 41% today, and you better believe I have Pepe. I got Pepe up there. Wait, I kind of like the chat being up here now. It's good hype. If you subscribe while we're live, your name will pop up, and you'll make this number roll over. Very valuable. Very valuable. Bitcoin dominance dropping. We should look at dominance. You're right. Okay. Here's what I can do. I'm going to put an alert because the corn probably going to keep moving up. Bitfinex shorter whales still think they can manipulate? Nah, Bitfinex shorter whales are not in control of this market anymore. Total. I want this zoomed in. Total. Oh, boys. $0.007 trillion away from a new all-time high. Well, a little bit more. It's coming. What do we got? We got Doge. Good stream. Huge. Bigly huge. What is the Hey song, man? I don't know what it is. But the Hey song isn't our jam, Ferrari. Like, tell me, you got to say more than the Hey song, dude. Like, I don't know what that is. Hey ya. Hey ya. I can sing it. Might get DCMA'd for it. Peanut has a brother, Rocky. I bet he does. Whoop whoop. Pepe. All right, we'll look at Pepe first. Where's my Pepe chart? We've got some wild trades, man. Just to brush through some of the charts I have open, right? Doge, I'm gonna be the first to say, man, we nailed Doge last cycle before Elon, before 1 penny. It looks like we're gonna nail Doge again. Just putting it out there. Radium, TP didn't actually hit, very close. Radium almost at $6 yesterday. Sui, no trade there, but 334 while I was gone. Let's keep moving. Dominance, yeah, whoever said dominance is pulling back here. You're a little mistaken here, my friend. Dominance hitting higher highs today. No, it's bonkers though, is that dominance is hitting higher highs and alts are blasting. It's a very unsettled hint at this moment. No subtlety to that hint. Tron broke 18.4 cents on its way back to 35, on its way back to all-time high. That's how I see it. Even Matic pulling itself up by the bootstraps. This is one I was like the most bearish on as a trade. Off 31, traded as high as 44. That's like a peanut gains at this point. Haha, peanut. We'll do a fresh peanut chart. USTD.D. Who remembers being in the chat? I want to say just at the end of October, right? People saying, Tom, what about dominance? What about USDT dominance? And I said, well, it's a chart. It's a chart. It's really just kind of a reflection of BTC dominance, but without getting into it. I said, well, you see a little descending trend line here. I think this was back here, and I said, what if this? Because this is what I think is going to happen. I think we're going to retouch that high trend, and then we're going to move back down to the bottom trend. Perfect call. Pickle, find the timestamp on that. That was a perfect USDT call. USDT call. I still think that we're going to break this low trend on dominance for USDT. However, probably will look something more like this, right? Maybe back up to that high trend, break it, back test, drop into, geez, even the lower single digits. H bar, I don't know why I had this one pulled up, and close that one. NPC, who remembers NPC from Wednesday? Was it Wednesday? I don't know. I remember it was like last live stream. It was Monday, and I said, guys, legitimately, I'll have to check my exchanges where I can buy this because I'm about to take this trade. You better believe I did. Better believe it. I think it was like I bought like $500 spot, so I'm probably up $500. This is not going to quit my day job. But NPC blasting off here. Where can we look? 5 cents in the way. Probably a nice little pit stop at 5. 6.6 cents going to give us that 1618 move, but we're not doing deep analysis. We're just looking at everything I pulled up here. Even Solana reaching 225 yesterday, past March's high, all-time high for Solana at 267. Finding support here, maybe 200. 200 was a TP, finally hit. 55%, 22%. Finding support here, maybe you could look for a scalp long at 265. I'm going to move on. No more Solana. Uni. Damn, Uni hitting that resistance range right up at 10, pulling back. Uni might actually be at a good entry. I have no passion for Uni. I'm not going to buy this, but might be at a good entry here. Interesting. That's where our long TP'd, even though it got stopped out. Hit resistance, backtest support. Uni may be on fire. Here is the biggest mix-up. This is the biggest surprise to me, guys, and you know it. November 4th stream, Pickle got it. You got it, boy. This is the biggest surprise to me. I want to say this. Congrats to all the Cardano guys out there. Congrats. And also, I may have been too bearish on your coin. It's not personal. It was just the chart. The most bearish charts at times will have the craziest moves. That's what we've seen. Cardano making absurd gains here. We were, I think on the 5th, we were looking for a long from 32 cents with a 40-cent target. Cardano moving all the way to 66 cents. Wow. Doubling, virtually doubling over a week. What I like about this right now, it's moved above our resistance zone, our 618. It's moved higher, and now it does seem to be finding support down here, or not down here, back at that resistance zone. Hold here, ADA, Cardano, and you're retesting your 2024 highs at 81 cents pretty quickly. POPCAT, not doing much right now. POPCAT back at 150, did not break a new high. Again, wouldn't really worry, but be careful with your meme coins, guys. Pepe, here we go. Pepe. I'm gonna get rid of a lot of these fibs because we don't need this. When price action's so crunched, man, your charts get so busy. Make sure to go back and do a little chart hygiene. Go back, delete some of the stuff. It's just gonna get in your way. Pepe did hit all-time high. Full robe, thank you, brother. We brought it back. Pepe hit all-time high, and guess what? Perfectly tapped our high, our 0.00002 target. Boom, beautiful. I've modified none of these. I'm just seeing them pretty much for the first time with you guys. I tabbed through them earlier. What is this? I hate when TradingView does this. There ain't no way. There ain't no way that I made that low. Whatever. We're going to have to get a fact check on that. We're going to have to go back and see where that stop was. TradingView goofed that for sure. Upside target on that long, baby. That has to be wrong. We'll have to fix that. I do know the entry was right. I do know the entry was right, but I do not know where the TP and stop were. 0.00088. We were looking for, yeah, dude, that's not right. Probably looking just back to the all-time high or the 0.02. But Pepe blasting off here. Let's do some moon math on this chart. Let's connect our all-time high to our swing low, and let's look upwards. There it is. 0.00034. That is a 2x from price right now. Almost exactly. A lot of charts we're going to see, and they're all going to have the same answer. You're going to say, where's the entry? Where's the entries are going to be really hard for longs, right? They're going to be very hard. And as this market gets more heated, they're going to get even harder. That's the problem. What we can look for or kind of apply just a basic 101 knowledge. Let's think like market makers for a second. If Pepe continues up, where are the people who bought on the way up? Where are they going to look to sell it? What's going to panic them, right? The answer, I think, is pretty obvious. The answer will be right back at the previous all-time high. You had resistance there, right? You had resistance. You broke it back at the all-time highs. I think coins that you get a shot at the previous all-time highs that are broken now are going to have great entries there. The stop loss is going to be difficult because you're going to have a lot of inefficiency, just like we see on Pepe. Inefficiency just up. And not every coin will do it. They won't do it. They're not going to give you the entry. They're going to say, man, you had forever to pick me up. You only want me when I'm up. You don't deserve me. If you don't like me when I'm down, you don't deserve me when I'm up. But a lot of coins are going to have this same logic here. I would look at maybe weekly closes at all-time high. So for Pepe 0.00016, I would avoid jumping in to these longs at those prices until we see maybe, so for instance, something like this, until we see, say a weekly, month, whatever, higher time frames close above, because until we get a high close, that sell-off isn't going to be scary. What we're looking for entries in the bull market are scary pullbacks, which we absolutely will see. We are not going to see only up. We never have before. What we want is that moment where everyone who has jumped in and only seen the chart go up, we want that moment where they say, oh no, I made the wrong decision. I've only ever seen green. Remember, we've only seen red, but they've only ever seen green. And the minute that they see that red and they start panicking, that is where the entries are going to be. It's kind of an abstract concept. It's not definitive. I can't say, oh, look for the 618 pullback. I think a lot of that's off the table now. Our analysis has to change. If total breaks 10 trillion, where's Pepe? There's no way to do math like that. There's no way to do math like that. I wish there was, Mr. Mike Bennett. But there's nothing you can really do like that. What you can say, I would think, is, all right, assume that Pepe doesn't really fluctuate in value against Bitcoin, which is a really, really hard sell because it is very likely to absolutely rocket higher against Bitcoin or dump down versus Bitcoin as we get to like crazy highs. But I think that's the only way you can really even approach that reasonably, is to say, okay, exact same. So Pepe at 0.00018, you're saying 10 trillion market cap. From here, that's about a 3x, 3.3x. Take USD price. So 0.00018 multiplied by 3. You know where that probably puts you, actually? Probably puts you right about here. Probably puts you right about there, realistically. 3, 5, maybe like 6-ish. It's hard. I mean, like, that is a hard sell, but that's the best answer I can give you. There's really nothing you can do outside of that. Let me look at this month. Here we go. How about this? You're looking for an entry. Say Pepe closes strong this month, hits some kind of high, pulls back. Where's that monthly at? Actually, that's a nice value. 4015. probably a good entry if it comes. That's on the caveat that it closes strong, which it probably will, and actually makes it back there. It is going to be hard to find entries, especially after things hit all-time high, because what happens is you get those spooky wicks, it blasts off again, spooky wick, it blasts off, and then at some point, spooky wick, and then it keeps going, and we're in a bear market, and you get trapped. We're going to get very comfortable buying dips, I think. But that is the preface to everyone buying the top and getting wrecked. Like, absolutely. So let me look at some indicators. Let's see what's going on. I'm sure they're all going to look great. Weekly on Pepe, very beautiful. VWAP up, momentum up, money flow, cruising. RSI still very low, not even overbought yet. In crypto, you can get overbought and you can stay overbought, and that's what we like to see. We may not have even really seen this move yet. We don't have a good extension. We don't have a good extension, do we? We hit the 1618. We can do that again. That brings us, I want to say right here. No, this isn't even a good one. Oh, wait. Interesting. We finally hit that extension. I was wondering where that came from. Oh, wow. This is good Confluence. This is actually really lined up well with total. Remember total, we hit the 1618 in this cycle. The 2 measured move was higher, obviously. And then our local move, our 1618 was right at that measured move. We have this overlapping with this. While there's no way to call tops, tops are just kind of inherently unknowable. There's no way to call them with precision or really any certainty. What I can say is if Pepe reaches 0.000034 and you've taken no profit, consider taking profit. Does not mean sell your whole bag, though you can, if that makes sense for you. But consider at least getting your principal out. Moon bags is the way to go from here. Because when everything is going up, the only thing you don't want to do is round trip the whole thing, right? Because at some point it's going to go down. Get your principal out, meaning whatever you invested in initially, sell to get that out, and then you're insulated. If price all of a sudden crashes 99%, you got your investment out. You can't be in the red if you do that. And that is the winning strategy here. That is the way to go with this. Holy shit. This is going. Hold up real quick, fam. I need to grab a little bit of water. Can you wait with me? Better than your morning coffee? Hell yeah, man. I have to grab water. I'm just going to fill it up in the bathroom. I need a little bit more caffeine. But this will take me 20, 30 seconds. Take out half on double. Beautiful, Leroy. I've been preaching that a long time. Let's say you buy a coin. You put $100 into a coin at $100, right? You have one. Goes to 200. It's now worth 200. Sell half. Now you have what? You have your principal. And you have $100 worth of this bag still. So if it goes off to the moon, if it goes off to infinity, half of infinity, still infinity, baby. That's how it works. It's smaller infinity, but it still works. And in the case where it isn't going to keep going, you have now removed all risk from your trade and you cannot lose. Even if it goes to 0, you cannot lose. That is the only time in trading, because that's a really risky thing to think, like not losing 100% certainty. The only certainty really that exists in trading is when you have your principal out and you don't put it back in, but you have your principal out, you cannot lose that position. Your position is now immortal, no matter what happens with price. And during the euphoria and the frenzy, it's going to feel bad to do this, but I promise you down the road someday, you'll be mad because you'll say, I could have made a bajillion more dollars, but you'll also down the road eventually go, man, that was a good choice. Man, because if I had held this whole thing, I probably wouldn't have sold. And now it's under where I was and I just round tripped it. Don't get round tripped. Absolutely. Started 44 minutes ago. WTH, LOL. You've been wrecked this morning. Chris, how you wrecked? How you wrecked, bro? Unless the coin gets delisted. Well, Alan, you have your principal out. You've taken all risk out of that trade. If your principal is out, you have 0 risk. You can't lose. It gets delisted. It doesn't matter. I mean, it sucks because you've broken even, right? That's it. But you can't lose. And if you're scared of that idea, then you could, I said a really simple example of 2x. You could go 5x, right? It hits 5x. You just have to make a plan. It doesn't even matter what it is. These are all just really basic examples. 5x, maybe you sell 20%. Now you got your principal out. But maybe at 5x, you sell 40%. You have double your principal back. You have 60% of your bag. It's really basic, really simple math. My favorite, though, on low cap things is to wait for the 10x, because usually I haven't put in a lot of money, and taking profits on, you know, a bag at $500 for me is just, I don't care. I'm not going to do it. But at 10x, I like to sell 10%. That's my favorite, because then you really are holding on to that position, and you're really betting on it continuing up. Not everything 10x's. It won't always get there. That's why I started with the 2x concept. That thinking is what you need. That thinking is going to keep you safe no matter what happens, no matter where the market goes. That thinking is going to be the key. All right, I really have to grab water. The bathroom's right here. Give me a sec. Maybe I'll power up tunes, although there won't even be enough time for tunes. Nah, there won't even be enough time. Give me 30 seconds, fam. Don't go anywhere. Keep hyping it up. Keep chatting amongst yourselves. Bitcoin is still rallying. Give me one. Give me 1 second. Told you I'd be back. You're like, he's never coming back. Yeah, I'm back, baby. Let me get a little bit of this. Little gamer subs. I love these guys. If you don't know what gamer subs is, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. But gamersubs.gg. Certainly not a sponsor of this channel, but just a product I like, man. It's just energy powder. It's like made by like a professional. I forget what he is. He's an Olympic professional bodybuilder, and it's just like energy drink without the crap. I'm done with Celsius, man. I love Celsius, but like I was drinking them every day, and I just noticed I didn't feel great. Like after a while, this stuff never feel crappy. Let's mix this up. A little blue Raz, Jutsu Kaisen, Cursed Energy. So they have really great flavors. They're also the anime Wafu shirts I wear. I haven't worn them in a while. I'll have to get back on that. Here we go. A little more green. What's the name? Baby, what's the name? Gamer subs, GG. I'll pull them up because they'll send me like free stuff sometimes. They'll send me some like the shirts, and there you go. Shout out to Gamer Subs just for making good shit and being nerdy like me. Gamersubs.gg. I've made $0 saying that, but you know, when I like something, I like something. Got a mix, swirl. Dude, I can't spell today. Can we look at Magma Redhead? Magma Redhead, what? Thanks, y'all. What's up, Light Customs? How you doing, bro? What do you think about Myro? I don't know. Super chat. Crypto Crank. It doesn't. You change your name? You change your name out. That's not hitting a bell. What's up, Shaq? Said super chat. Oop. Yeah, that was the wrong tab. Let me see. What do we got? What do we got, guys? Oh, you super chatted. That's why. That's why you're telling me to check it. Let's see how it is. Shaq with the combo. I got yours. I think ETH setup in play. ETH setup. Thoughts on Flux. Thoughts on everything. My thoughts right now on everything. If you missed the most important part of the stream, honestly, the most important thing I've said today was if you're in a coin that's not moving and you're having that feeling and you're going to, if you're not experiencing this yet, you're going to. If you're in a coin that's not moving, I think the worst thing you can do right now is to sell it and jump into something that's moving. This is like the classic get wrecked cycle. The classic cycle of getting wrecked. I'm not convinced your Ethereum BTC has bottomed yet. What do we got here? Move this, move that. We can look at Ethereum. We're going to look at Ethereum. Man, I can't believe these YouTube numbers are so low. What's happening? Have you fallen out of favor with YouTube? Does YouTube no longer love us? YouTube, if you're listening, baby, just know that I love you anyway. I'll always love you. I'll continue loving you. Damn, you know what though? I'm looking at my, here, I'll show you guys. I'm looking at like my subscription page of lives and looking at these view numbers. These are very normal view numbers. Like Crypto Lifer, always 1.8K trillion. Crypto RS, that is much higher than usual, but I've noticed that seems to happen with the big channels. I don't know. Blockchain Bagger 3, like these aren't really out of Piper Academy 76. Martini Guy 1K, that's higher than usual. Andy Bitcoin Census, that's higher than usual. But like these are pretty normal numbers. It's weird for how exciting it is right now. That's quiet. Maybe our poll will shed some light. Hickle gifting out some memberships. You know what? I should gift them out too. Got that radio? Got that old time radio. That's true. Facts. Let's see. Ethereum. God, my neck is so sore from the plane. I keep like fidgeting with it. Ethereum. You know, before all the craziness, I was saying, yeah, I think Ethereum's gonna go to like 3,300 and reject. Hasn't actually happened yet. Sitting, chilling at 3,300 right now. Let me look. Let's make just a fresh take on this. Monthly, like 37. You know, maybe I'll move my chair down. I think that's like messing with my neck a little bit. There we go. Wasn't like sitting up straight. God, that plane, I flew business class on Emirates. First time in my life I've ever flown business class. My entire life. For those of you who don't know me, I grew up poorer than any of you will ever imagine that I grew up poor. And wow, that was a treat. That was an absolute treat. Let's see. Fast all your local. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. A little confluence up here. 3,350. Not bad, not bad. On the week, that looks good. That looks good. Absolutely. RSI is still low, still chilling. Maybe we need some tunes. Do you guys want tunes? Put one in chat if you want tunes. FTM, yeah, I'll pull up FTM too. I know, I saw the chat before. I know there's a lot to look at today. That's the problem, guys. Literally, we don't have enough time to look at everything today. That's the problem. Daily. That daily could be better, actually. VWAP coming down, momentum getting a little slow. Ugh, I hope I'm wrong here on Ethereum. I hope it doesn't reject at 3,300. Remember, it's spicy, but everything isn't just gonna blast all-time high like instantly. We're gonna have pullbacks. We're gonna have fake outs still. We're not past that. The market's never done. It's just different. 1, -1. Put a different number if you don't want music. We got a lot of ones. Is retail here yet? Man, we only have 410 votes, but half of us saying none at all. Dude, that's where I'm at. The god of Olympus. All right, I'll put on some teams. Bitcoin is the superior asset. We call them poor. We call them poor. Michael Saylor, dude. Imagine what it's like right now in Michael Saylor's house. Like, what's going on at Michael Saylor's house right now? He's probably having a grand old time. Remember how much shit people talked about him? Remember how much they hated him? And they're like, he's so stupid. I even criticized him. I was like, dude, these buys are dumb. These are like dumb buys. It's just like buying like local tops. Doesn't ever seem to really be like kind of waiting for retrace or something. I don't know. Certainly no one's calling him stupid right now, are they? Like MicroStrategy almost certainly at all-time high at this moment. Okay, so I'm going to put on tunes, but be careful. I'm going to make sure this is low so we don't blast you. Don't blast you with the tunes. I noticed from being in Dubai and just around, because I was one of the only few, like, honestly, very few, like, native English speakers. I've noticed that I adapted kind of like the Saudi, like, kind of twang. It makes it easier to communicate. Ooh, is that loud? Nah, it's not too loud. There we go. We got some tunes powered up. We've got the charts pumping. We're doing Ethereum right here, right now. Can we check coin? We'll check coin. Low level. Yeah, I can tell the song is going to build, though. It's going to get louder. Taylor said he'll buy the top forever. What's up, Bad Baptist, my guy? How you feeling today, man? How you feeling today? Let's see. My friend who's been in crypto just texted me and goes, I want to take a little profit, but I won't. Just in all caps. Just in all caps. Good to hear him thinking about selling, though, not buying. That's good. Okay. Bringing it down. This is loud in my ear. Can we check Turbo Shack? Probably. Probably, man. If I ever get through Ethereum, we can check lots of stuff. We can check lots of stuff, man. I'm not going anywhere today. There we go. Oh, man. Business class was great, but like still my neck is not having a good time. It's still cramped, you know? It's still, you can't like stretch out. You can lay down, but you can't stretch out. Way better than economy though. I will never fly more than 10 hours economy ever again. I just won't go. Like, it's not like I'm so rich I'll always fly business. It's like, nah, I just won't go. Just pass. Go on a different trip. What's up, Artjan? Gajan Balaj. Subscribing. How you doing, my friend? You know? Ethereum, you know? Looks good out of the 4 hour. 6 hour shaping up. Pullback, I'm not worried. I'm not worried here. I think Ethereum's... We're going to have to zoom out. Again, I was just zoomed down. I got to zoom back in. 35. So I was looking at 33. Didn't quite tap 35.6. This is really the logical point, right? Here's the good news. The good news on Ethereum is that you have broken your major resistance. This is the good news. Broken your major resistance here, right? We had a really ugly descending high flat bottom that was at 3K. You've broken it. You've closed a weekly above it. Great. You've cleared it. You still could see it come back here. If it does, maybe that's a good entry, right? And maybe that's where you're peaking. But you haven't cleared 35. I could even see this. I could even see 35 to 3. This would be a blessing though. Like, I could see this. If you clear 35, you're going back to March highs, no problem. You're still far from all-time high though. Shaping up, really no div there. On the month. I don't know really exactly what you're looking for here. I guess you want moon math, right? I can do moon math. Ooh, that monthly's spicy. Look at this monthly on Marketcipher B. If we get a little bit more, so if we do see Ethereum trade maybe to that 37 and close, you're going to get a momentum close or twist on the month. Your VWAP's right there. That will be the same setup that we saw, that we shared on the month for Bitcoin before this explosion. That'd be a good sign. If you want moon math, obviously you look at the all-time high, right? Well, I'm not sure where you'd look anywhere else. Just under 5K. You break March's high, you use your extension again, 6,100. Not a bad target. If you're looking for absolute moon math, I don't know, 14K, we'll see. We'll see what happens with the rest of the market. I'm hesitant, guys. I can't wait to be wrong about this, because if I'm wrong about it, I will profit so much more. But I cannot wait to be wrong about being skeptical about coins from previous cycles. Like if they'll break all-time highs, if they'll really have explosions. I can't wait to be wrong, man, because if I'm right, I might be one of the most screwed here. Like, I got a lot of bags. What's up, T-Bone? How you doing, dude? You have an interesting coin, CFX. I think we've looked at that before. Turbo. We'll look at Turbo. Shaq's super chatted twice, so we can look at Turbo for him. What's up, Hilton Shezzy? We've gotten very few new subscribers today. That's all right. Not very few new people here. Retail is still sleeping, boys. This is the setup. This is it. Why is Solana slacking? Well, Jungle Boy, I was just commenting on that. I can't wait to be wrong. I really hope I'm wrong. But man, we need to see some of these previous cycle coins break all-time highs. I think Doge will be the first one. I think like Doge, I almost have 0. Nice, new all-time high right now. Doge, I have like almost 0 doubt we'll see new all-time high. But man, you look back at coins and after their first cycle, they don't do that great, man. Kimono, great vibes. How you doing, Brendan? Martina, hello. Yeah, we did it. Just a little trickle, a little tickle. 91.8. Pulling back a little here. Not a big deal. 5 minute remaining overbought. Who remembers all through the bear market when I was like, guys, these people like, it's overbought, sell. And it's like, guys, that's not how this works. That's not how RSI works. I mean, yeah, no, that's accurate. It's not how RSI works. When we are bully, you're going to see overbought and then it's going to stay overbought. And when that happens, that's when you get the crypto pumps. It will remain overbought. It'll stay there. It'll dare you to sell. It'll say, go ahead, sell. Go ahead. You won't do it. Oop, my robe just came undone. Ooh, we're not that high. Bitcoin's not that high yet. And again, a little peep show. Maybe at a bajillion. Maybe at a bajillion K. Tom OnlyFans. Anything stopping Litecoin after 110? Yeah, dude. Don't even Scoobs. I'm the most hurt by Litecoin. I believe it will still rally. I haven't lost hope. This is what we're looking for here on the corn short term. Tattoo soon. Who's a tattoo artist, man? Who's a tattoo artist? I've done no freaking planning for this tattoo, and we are, bro, we're $8,500 away from me getting a tattoo. It's not even 10%. Not even 10%. You can do it. You remember when Doge RSI maxed out when it hit 69 cents? On what time frame? I mean, what time frame, Stone? Can't just say it like RSI maxed out, like 5 minute. Oh yeah, sure. Like monthly, weekly. Like, yo, Alex O Crypto, how you doing? Tom Crown, just sunglasses. Just the sunglasses, bro. All right. Bitcoin at 10 million. You get Tom Crown, just the sunglasses. All right. I'll have to quit streaming before 10 million. Papa Powell. Papa Powell. I heard he said he can't fire me. Technically that's true, but we'll see. Technically. They're not a government agency. Coin looks great, dude. Coin down like from its high that like what? From Monday, probably. Maybe get a back test of 284. Coin looks great. I wouldn't be worried about coin. You broke 283. Like you're going back to all-time highs. Period. Doge chilling 41. Right, let's see. I'm gonna pull up some of these requests because I've gone through. AVAX trade looks good. That's another Doge. Robinhood. One of my stock guys said, "Look at Robinhood today." Tesla. Who remembers this Tesla trade? Who remembers this bad boy? Who remembers when I was like, you know, I think that this is actually a good trade. When Tesla had their what's it called? Their little like show of their self-driving cars and robots, and everybody was like, "Oh man, this is not good." I remember that trade. Not looking too bad now from 215. 360. This looks good though. I think Tesla's filling the gap going to 386. Another Tesla. ENA, boring. FTM was one. I'll pull up FTM. When only glasses. You guys crack me up. What's up, Donald? Donald Jackson. Ooh. I am for real. What's up, Alchemist? You're finally joining us. Benjamin finally joining us. Brian Aranda, what's up, my friend? Kalizo, how's Sophie? How's Sophie doing? Cheers to Sophie. Shout out to her. Hiram above. Hugo Crypto. I am. Let me see the new names. J Stacks. Line in my pocket. Welcome back, bro. Miss Leisha, baby. How you doing, Leisha? Mosin. Nate Bender. Wonder which Nate Bender. Nighthawk. NYFA. Randy Greer. Rex. Romanian Pitbull. I love Pitbulls, but I think you mean the artist. What's up, Sylview? Who do I get? Umar R1231. Good names, bros. Good names. Look at how many viewers we have. Retail's not here, man. When retail's here, we're gonna have thousands and thousands. Remember, just back in March, we had thousands every day, like 2,000, like every day, at least 1,000 every day. Retail's not here. They are coming at a snail's pace, and here's a good example of that. 500 votes, guys. If you haven't voted on this, we need you to vote. 500 votes, half of us, none at all yet. I'm right there, dude. And you better believe all my friends know I'm like the guy to call. None of them. Zero. My mom hasn't texted me. Nothing. Nothing. That's our retail indicator. We should ask that every single day, actually. We should ask that every single day until it tops in. You should. FTM. TP hit. 40% from 57 cents. Damn, that was a fire trade. Came back 68.5. All right. What's up, Barman? I see you. Not someone asked about not. We'll do not next. Don't worry. Broke resistance, closed, sold off 68.9. I mean, you might have an entry there though. It did come and go. I see $1 in its future. I see $1 in FTM's future very soon. But you want moon math. You don't want that. You want what's happening when it's exciting. What's gonna happen right now? Everybody's freaking out. Everybody's they're all saying crazy stuff. I want to know what I can look for. Break marches high back to the all-time high, 336. Moon Mathin. Moon Matthew. That'd be a good name. Is anyone taking that? Moon Matthew. Matthew Schmid. You should be Moon Matthew. That's a good name. Back to the all-time high. Break that using that same logic, man. There's never a guarantee of these, right? And none of this matters until you break all-time high. But this is the same analysis we apply to every chart. There's no bias there. Has nothing to do with FTM, just with the chart. The higher you go, the more you pull back, the more you pull that bowstring, the more power that arrow flies forward. $25. That is really high. Someone look up what the market cap would be. I like to do this and then look at like what the market cap would be. Though still even that's like really putting something into perspective that like is biased, right? Like, because at some point to say, oh, $1 billion, like, you know, you can't have $1 billion Doge. Now you have $10 billion Doge. This is a beautiful chart. It has been. Right here cemented its beauty. There it is. Inverse head and shoulders. Who remembers this call, bro? Boom, tap. You're looking for $1. Retest marches high. I don't even think $1. I think $1 might be like a pit stop. Maybe do that. Funko Tom, right? Robe and ooh, a Funko Tom with robe and shades. I agree. I agree. We're gonna look at not. You know what I'm also gonna do? I'm gonna power up. We're gonna see if this is gonna like help us. We're gonna see if this will help us here. I'm gonna power up the mobile stream. I wonder, because this could give us a good insight. Give us some good insight. I'm gonna power up the mobile stream. I don't actually know if it'll work now, but we'll try. We'll try it. If you get an alert, let me know. You get an alert, let me know. You can stay here. If you're on a mobile device, you can go over there. Live streaming is not available right now. Yeah, sure. Look at this. We'll see. We'll see YouTube. I think it will work. Diving into Notcoin while YouTube decides if we're allowed to do this or not. I think it decided we will. I'm gonna power this up. Notcoin. We're gonna do some more requests. We started this stream so early. I'm surprised anybody showed up. But I feel like we're gonna end up going until the normal time. All right, powering her up. Hopefully this doesn't destroy our connection. We'll see. Let me briefly glance back here. I'm not getting alerts. I wonder why. I wonder I'm not getting alerts. I just got an alert live on my channel. Okay, that mobile stream is live, boys and girls. We are back. And Bitcoin is at all-time high. And you are here on the most bullish channel on YouTube. We have been bullish for 5 years and we'll be bullish for, well, more than that. Bitcoin, again, looking for a new all-time high. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for being here. We were looking at Notcoin next. Reminder, you can join us on the main stream. You're probably tuned into the short stream. This stream for phones. We have a full resolution one where you will be able to see the chart better. But make sure to continue tapping the screen, hitting the like, sharing it out. Let me refresh these chats. How's this long looking? Ooh, a handy 328% on that live trade. Let's go. Let us go. Here we go. What's up, Sin, Mighty, Rising Sun? You guys, I feel like you guys only ever get the short stream notifications. Mems, good to see you, boys. It's okay, though. Vet, AKT, kimono, gonna be huge. I'm wearing a kimono, basically. Stream. Remember to stream the stream as Bitcoin right now. 91.8 thousand. Bear tears, palpable in the air. Literally, you can taste them. Can you taste them? You know, we don't have to hate them. Bears, they get us here. Without bears, we never would get here. You know, we really need them. We have to thank them for their sacrifice. Oh, bears. Oh, bears, bears, bears. The Amazon.com bubble chart. Oh, we're in the bubble. Should I throw some shade at some point on this? I'll throw some shade at some point. Not right now. Can't throw shade right now because Bitcoin, at this very second, we are watching it break out. It is at a new all-time high. Right now, this second, 92,000 US dollars. We are $8,000 away from me getting a tattoo, my first tattoo, on live stream. I mean, obviously, guys, if it hits 100K right now, I can't get a tattoo. Like, I can't get a tattoo right here. I'm not a tattoo artist. But 100K, and I'm gonna live stream it. I'm a little bitch with needles. That's why I don't have any. I don't like shots, I like needles. But I will live stream my pain of getting a Bitcoin tattoo. I promised you this years and years ago, like 4 years ago. I honestly can't believe it's been this long. It is wild to me that it has been this long and I still don't have that tattoo. Somehow we beat Bitcoin to the all-time high, or to 100K. It's delayed, RS Miller. Yeah, I mean, everything has a delay, bro. You can't have no delay on the internet. There should only be a very short delay though, maybe a few seconds. And also what you should do if you think it's really delayed, make sure that you're not behind on the stream. You might be behind, like because of DVR. Yeah, what was I doing here? We're gonna look at Notcoin as soon as Bitcoin stops hitting all-time high, 92,200. Nah, dude, my connection's clean right now. G just subscribe. What's up, G? If you guys subscribe, this number will roll over in real time. Your name will pop up on the stream and I'll shout you out. So keep tapping. Keep tapping, keep subscribing. You're not, you just refreshed all-time high, all-time high. 92.3 and counting. Do Doge chart. We look at Doge a little bit, bro. We're looking at Bitcoin until it stops just pumping. Yeah, sometimes YouTube will just randomly kind of set you back on the live. I don't know why. But there is a delay, but there's always a delay. We're on the lowest latency settings. We are coming at you with the shortest delay possible to YouTube. Buy, sell opportunities. I'm missing a tab. Where is this tab, dude? I was double checking if we're on the lowest delay, and we should be. Oh, I know what's happening. Here we go. Here we go. 92,200. All-time highs printing. Viewership pumping. 650 people on the main stream. Oh, let's go. Let's go. The more you tap like, the more you subscribe. Yeah, we're on ultra low. There's no quicker way. This is as fast as it gets. Maybe if I had fiber, it would be faster, but like not that much faster. More all-time highs, 92,400. Our targets coming right now. We have 93 for the stream or the full 95,000, the coveted 95,000. This is like during the live stream today, boys. Let's go. This is real. It's really, really real. Crow is sideways. Crow just pumped like 200% or 100%. Careful. YouTube servers are, it's YouTube servers and then it's ingest servers and then it's also just latency across the globe, right? Like if you're in China, that data has to get all the way over to China. Even at like the speed of light, that's still fractions of a second. 92.5. Getting alerts. Boys, here is the most spicy of spicy right here. Bitcoin going up. Awesome. Amazing. But here we go. If you missed the intro of the stream, this is the most important thing, period, that's ever happened over the last many, many years. Crypto total market cap all-time high. We are testing it. Above here is the face melter. Above here is when dreams come true. $3 trillion in 2021. Despite all of the massive gains, Bitcoin hitting 92,000, despite everything, your coin's blowing up. We are still not at a higher total crypto market cap versus the last bull cycle. And this is where this channel, we have been talking. This is where everything happens. This is incredible, guys. Smash the likes, subscribe, hype it up. We're not going anywhere. Hopefully we don't get a spooky sell-off right after we hit it. Hopefully. We'll see. Tom Frown. You're a Tom Frown, bro. Get out of here. Melting faces again all day, every day, boys. All day. Here it is. Here we go. I'm going to set alerts up here because I'd rather watch Bitcoin as this happens. Here we go. Total hits. 92,400 on deck, and we don't have any signs of stopping yet. Good day, Greg. How you doing, brother? Holy shit, says Michael Seberg, and holy shit indeed. You guys thought it would never come. You thought it would never happen. It felt that way. It really felt that way, man. After 2021, it felt like Bitcoin was never going to do jack. It's like this is moving so slow. We didn't even get to 100K last cycle. 92.5 and counting. The title wasn't clickbait. The thumbnail, not clickbait today. Real sauce right here. 420. Believes it. Bitcoin is going absolutely bonkers. Liquidity to top is getting thinner. There's nothing above us, man. There's like no liquidity anywhere. We might have some liquidity back at the previous all-time high, but there's nothing above us. There's like just little DCA grid bots and like random longs closing, profit taking. That's it. We got nothing. Every single human who has ever bought and sold or bought and held Bitcoin now in profit, and now realistically in some very serious profits. Like that was true a few days ago. Even the people who bought at the top a few days ago, up, I don't know, 10% maybe, something like that. Things are getting spicy. Hella spicy. Oh, we've earned it. We're here. Let's check this long out again. Where's this at? A nice $7,168 in our live stream trade from 70K on 10X. That ain't life changing, but 340% on that trade. Cheers to anyone who took a trade similar or used that same logic, making some money. Cheers to you, my friends. Absolutely. This is crazy. Is it crazy? I think it's just what was always happening. The bears, they convinced you that this wasn't going to happen, and every single time this happens. DCA bag for Pickle now up 4x. Let's fucking go, Pickle. Let's go. Vesemir, where are we heading? Where are we going? Randy Greer, it's been a rough few years. We deserve this. We deserve this, fam. That's the one thing that you can count on. We deserve this. You've earned it, really. You've earned it. You waded through. You made it through. You didn't give up. Your friends and family. Who here had people that in their life who love them? Not strangers, not people on the internet, because, you know, who cares? But people who love you, like your family, your friends, say, why are you doing this Bitcoin thing? It's been down. You bought in 21. It's going to zero. It's down at 15K now. Who had that happen to them? That's social pressure. The people that love us, they care about us. They really genuinely think that they're trying to help in a shitty way. That's pressure, dude. You didn't fold. You had conviction. Maybe this is your first trip and your conviction wasn't perfect. That's okay too. Very few people on their first cycle, very few, have that conviction, but you'll earn it. You'll see this happen. This bull market will go on and then it will end, and then we'll go back to the sad times and the depressed times and the boring times, and the same thing will happen again. But next time, you'll be able to say, I already did that. I already saw that. My friends and family, you know why they're saying this? Is because they don't know shit. That's why they're not sitting here hyping up $92,000 Bitcoin. They don't know shit. Hey song incoming again. What is the hey song? Jake the Snake. I need you to tell me what you're talking about. I'll try to play it. Let me see if I can get let me see if I can get the jam on. Let's see if I can get the jams. I think I have to pay for Pretzel Player again so I can just play these. Should I just do that right now then? I can just like go through these. I have to keep hitting next at the moment. Happened to you in 2017. They said you were crazy. Yeah, dude. I'd like to tell the story. Mitch Ray plays when we're at all-time high. Okay. Well, we got songs we can play at all-time high. You know, I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to play this as we're at all-time high. I'm going to play it so that I have a second to kind of maybe put some stuff together. Maybe figure this out. You know what song I'm about to play. Maybe this is our version of the Hey song. Hold up. Give me a sec. It's time. It's time. Dominance running. Let's go 70K Bitcoin dominance. Let's go. Or 70%.
Should have kept you where you belong. No matter how many gods fall, there will always be another to stand against you. They will fall as well.
You know it.
Death of Olympus means the death of us all. Then prepare for your death, Poseidon.
Throw it. Logging in.
Zeus should have kept you where you belong. No matter how many gods fall, there will always be another to stand against you.
Retail has arrived, cap or die? I don't know, man. I don't know. Look at not a lot of subscribers, not a lot of viewers.
For your death, Poseidon.
Out in this music. Let's go. Let's go. The law official, what up? Oh, you know. There you go.
Leave the sea and face me.
Smash the likes. Subscribe. Get it. We're going to all-time highs, baby. This is our jam. We don't have the Hey song. This is our jam. All-time high right there. It worked. It worked. 92K feels nice, but what would 93K look like? What would that feel like? Harry C says, what a retarded song. I'm out, dude. See ya, dude. Nobody cares. Goodbye, Harry C. I come on to people's channels to be grumpy. Gonna be a lot of grumps. Gonna be a lot of grumps, bro. It's the time for grumps. Everybody who's not long, they're going to be salty. They're going to be mad. They're the big mad. That's okay. They'll come around. They'll come around. I love that song, dude. I don't care if none of you like it. I like that song. That song slaps. Absolute banger. Let me see. I got the pretzel player. I have to turn the music back down because it might be way too loud. Let's see. Did it play? Did it work? Can I now use this program in the way that I'm supposed to? Still says upgraded premium. I already checked out. I already checked out. Oh, I didn't hit complete purchase. There was an error processing your purchase. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Gotta play like another song. Let me see. There we go. What's up, Sadhin? What's up, Tim188? I see your super chat. I'm trying to get the premium on this player so I can play all of our old school tunes. So I'm trying to like dual task here. Give me a second. While I do this, you'll see this number right here. This is how many subscribers we have. It will update in real time. When you subscribe while we're live, it will roll over. Your name will pop up on the stream. I will shout you out. It's very exciting. Very exciting. Go ahead and do that. Smash the like button. Tap the screen. Bitcoin is at all-time highs, and we are vibing. We're live early. Really, really early. Payment frequency yearly. Sure, I don't care. Just complete. Why is there an error processing? Why is there an error processing? Oh my God. This is obnoxious. I also don't want to like accidentally have my info out there. Pay with PayPal balance. I have like 50 grand in this PayPal balance. Just can pay it. Just do it. Man, I'm about to give up. Screw you. All fiat. All fiat. Why is the song all quiet? I know why. There we go. Put on some different tunes. We're still moving at all-time highs. What's up, 𝐂𝐴𝐳, my guy? Checkmark, bro. Good to see you. Fellow checkmark. Drop for a little bit. Guys, here's what I'm going to do. I'm also going to gift out some memberships right now. It's November. I haven't given any out. Here we go. Just going to gift away 5 right now. Smash the likes, subscribe, engage. Hopefully you get them. Why is this not working though, for real? I'm just going to do my freaking credit card then. Hope I remember my CCV thing. Is that gonna work? I think it worked now. Yeah, it worked. Sick. All right, we gotta turn on some tunes that I've been like waiting to listen to. We've got so many, dude. All right, where are we going? I think we do a little Get It Girl. We do a little Crocodile. Where are you? Yes. If it still doesn't work the way I think it does after paying for this, I'm gonna be trolled. Ooh, Horror Cutie's a good one. I play this track. Do your filters, YouTube, but you are a bitch. All right, this is gonna be bad content. It's getting boring. I'm gonna have to give up on this hope that I can get this to work right now. So many good songs, though. So many good songs. All right. I'm giving up. My ADD is like, no, you cannot give up. But I have to. We got to keep moving. We got charts to look at. We're just going to let this play. A little disco, a little ravey. I turned down a Wii, so I'm not competing with the sound. There we are. What's up, Christian Santos? Sush008 subscribing. Welcome, boys. You've come to the right place. You've come to the right place. We're here. Viewer activity. 700. Dude, only 700 live viewers on the mainstream. And we're at all-time high. We're blasting them. Retail's not here yet. We've got so much more to go. It's just warming up. Total crypto market cap. Not even at an all-time high. Total crypto market cap. I mean, within like sneezing distance of all-time high. But still slightly, ever so slightly under all-time high. In 2021, total crypto market cap was higher than it is now, higher than it's been since 2021. This is the sauce. This is the real chart. This is all that matters, man. Look at that 4-hour candle. In the last 4 hours, $148 billion added to the crypto market cap. 648 billion. Zoom out on this. Beautiful. Gorgeous, beautiful. When this breaks, hell breaks loose. 0.007 trillion dollars away. We just added way more than that. And then, of course, this is going to show that it broke, but it didn't. It's close. You're at work, turn on the caption so you can watch on mute day, man. Thanks for being with us, Crimson. TC, wait until market close. Bitcoin's, yo, what are the inflows going to look like today? The inflows are going to be bonkers. I bet above 5 billion inflows on Bitcoin ETFs. That's my guess. Above 5 billion. Who thinks that's too low? Big retracement will come. Everyone's waiting on a big retracement. All right, 750 votes. Let's share this. Not even 1,000 votes. This is wild. 46% of us have nobody, none of their friends, none in retail, have contacted them about Bitcoin. So bullish. Incredibly bullish. Wow. Let's end that. Here's another one. This is going to help us get a little idea too. What's up, Max Santana? How you doing, brother? All right. Will Bitcoin retrace soon? 100 air. 33 months. Congrats, man. No Nut November. Oh, that is a great tweet. I'm tweeting that. I'm tweeting that, bro. No Nut November, I'm sorry, has been canceled. Because everybody just failed. No Nut November canceled, bro. Absolutely canceled. What website is this? This is what? TradingView? Where the charts are? TradingView.com. I think there's a link for it in the chat. By the way, guys, if you sign up with any of the links in the video description below, you won't be able to on the short stream or in the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. If you sign up with any of them, you'll get into our exclusive private trading group in that Discord. It costs you nothing. Sign up. Sign it up. Sui, still pumping $3.40. Looking for a nice touch of $5, honestly. I'm not saying this is going to happen tomorrow. I'm not saying it's going to happen next week. But with the way things have been moving, man, it's all possible. Sui blasting. About to eliminate bearish divergence potential on the week. Probably a touch to $5 will do that. Whoa. Goodbye, bro. That is... We do not tolerate hate in this community, my friend. Wow. You know what? Wow, that's getting a report. I don't even know the last time I've reported somebody. That's getting a report. Jesus. Now's the time for love, boys. It's not the time for hate. No need to hate. Hating people not gonna make Bitcoin go up more. It's already going up. Sui with a beautiful wick. Potentially a little momentum slowing down here. Gonna need to see it push, I'd say, a little bit higher today. Maybe get a touch of 350. Who is angry? On this short stream where the weirdos come in. It's okay. And cool people, but all the weirdest people come in through the short stream. Yikes. USDT dominance. What was I looking at? Notcoin. I swear. I didn't forget. Here we go. Notcoin. This chart's actually pretty good. I think I was likely skeptical about this chart. This chart's pretty good, actually. On the week. And thank God for Notcoin. The only point of efficiency on this chart. Right here. 0054 to 0055. If you had taken along there, well done. Notcoin last week closed 28% up. Where did this come from, though? There it is. Battling it out with resistance 007. You're not bullish enough. I promise you, you're not bullish enough. However bullish you think you are, you're not bullish enough. 0067 coming from, it looks like the initial listing day. Rejected there, pulled back, went higher. I would not count it done yet. Looking up. 01. 1 cent. Really good upside target. I wouldn't take this trade, but we had a talk earlier about coins right now. Coins that aren't up yet. They're not pumping yet. What's happening? Should I sell my bags that aren't pumping, buy into things that are? No, probably not. This one hasn't really pumped yet. 0075, I think you could eke out a penny there very easily. 2-to-1 risk to reward on this trade. That's not looking bad. That's just at market price right now. Love, baby. Love is all we need. Love brought us to these all-time highs. Litecoin disappointment, you dude, you're telling me. Telling me, dude. Bonk, please. Tosh K? Yeah, we'll do bonk. Max Santana, been praying for these. Been praying for these times. Let's go. Let's go. What up, man? What up, Raikuinden? Missed me last FOMC, I know. Chirpow rugged us on the FOMC, boys. It was supposed to be Wednesday. That was the day before I left. We were going to cover it. And then for the election, I think they moved it back. We got rugged. I couldn't do it. You need a pipe in that outfit? Oh, baby. We'll get one. Pipe at 100K. What's up, AJ? Check kimono price. Can you check AGLD? Check Troy. Check AKT. Check Nero. Check alt season. One alt season. Do I have thoughts on Celesta? Not really. Dodge. CFX. Dude, how am I supposed to do all these requests? This is all that matters right now. This right here is what matters. This is what matters. Total crypto market cap. Now 0.004. Away from all-time high. Ow. I might have chipped my tooth last night. Not really sure how. LFG, we kiss you. We kiss you. Where are the Turkish bots? 3 trillion club, boys. 3 trillion. We've been talking about this for years. Literally years we've been talking about this. Years, bro. Here we go. Right here. 2 years. We've been talking about this. This is exactly where the face melting bull run starts. It is here. Right here. Just above 3.009 trillion. We're at 0.09 trillion. Here we go. This is the most... Let's go. This is the most exciting thing that could happen. There's no time. I know you guys want to look at alts. I know you want to look at your chart. You want to look at whatever. There's no time. What's up, Vui? There's no time, dude. This is it. This is it. New all-time high. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Crypto total market cap breaking a new all-time high for the first time in 4 years. Let's go. Things are about to get insane. Smash the like button, subscribe, join the fam. Jump in the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. It all begins right here. It all begins right here. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. It's like we knew this was going to happen. We knew it was coming. But God damn, it took so long. Here it is. We are officially... So Bitcoin has been in a bull run since November 22 or January 23. Or yeah, 23. Crypto is now in a bull run. Cryptocurrency is now in a bull run, I repeat. It has finally broken March's high from not March's high. November's high from 2021. You would have thought this already happened, but you'd be wrong. Finally. Cryptocurrency is officially in a bull run. Let's go. Let's go, boys. 3 trillion. Peanuts. We're going to see 5 trillion. We're going to see 6 trillion. We got a lot ahead. We have so much ahead. Let's go. It's here, baby. It's here and it's in style. This is a dangerous spot. This is a dangerous spot. If we're going to get a fake out, this is where the fake out should happen. If we don't get a fake out, things are going to get so crazy so fast. Bitcoin at all-time highs, hitting our 1618 extension target right now. 93,150. 95K when? 95K when? Maybe 95K today. Holy shit. What hits first? 137K subs or 137 Bitcoin? And this is actually a good question. We are 750 subs away from 137. It is wild how slowly that is growing. Wild, dude. for how spicy it is right now. It's crazy how few people are watching. The best people. We've got 720 on the mainstream, 140 on the vertical stream, for a total of about 1,000, a little bit less, 900 something. Crypto just did something that most people weren't even aware, hadn't happened yet, aren't aware of how important it is. It just happened right now live. There it is. We just broke 3 trillion. Total crypto market cap in price exploration for the first time. The robe is on. The robe did not curse us. It did not jinx us. We are here. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day to be with you beautiful people. Tattoo incoming, boys. Tattoo imminently incoming. I'm going to need help. Where's our artists? I'm going to need help with this. I'm going to need tattoo help. I'm going to need a tattoo artist, and I'm going to need designs. I want your best Bitcoin tattoo designs in the Discord. Put them in there. Discord.gg/TomCrown. Long live the road, baby. Where is everyone? Still a ghost town, dude. Ghosting. What's moving? Total Bitcoin. What the heck is Dave? Dave triggered? What the hell? I think I did chip my tooth last night. I have no idea how. I didn't drink or I just slept all day. I don't know what Dave is, but at some point somebody asked me to look at it. Dave seems to be kind of running with the corn here. Dave up 45. What is Dave? Who knows? Crypto Sharknado, I'm going to guess that was yours. Whiff breaking out 360, 376. Heading back to that all-time high. This is where dreams come true, boys and girls. Actually, how did Dominance react? How did Dominance react to this? Dominance up. Wow. Dominance rocketing with a new total crypto market cap. Man, this is the Bitcoin cycle. This is the cycle of Bitcoin, it seems. This is unusual. This is not what we saw last cycle. We are diverging from last cycle. Bitcoin dominance, I think it's heading to 66%, 73%. But remember, as we were climbing, I told you guys, alts may just continue on their USD pairs. It's not that they'll dump. It's not that they're going to go down in dollars. It's that they may just trade sideways, or they may just be going up slower than Bitcoin. This is something to pay attention to as well, though. Because even though we're seeing these big moves, this may imply that alts might slow down. We might have some time where alts, maybe they do take a little red. Dominance bumping. And total market cap breaking all-time high, man. I can hardly believe it, dude. I can hardly believe it. What is happening? I need an adult. I need to try to join your free exclusive trading Discord. But you already have a Coinbase account. Is there another way? Thank you, brother. Adrian Jones, at me in the Discord, man. At me in the Discord. I'll take care of you after the show. There's lots of options. It doesn't have to be Coinbase. It can be lots of different things. I'll work with you. I'll work with you, man. Total 2. You know what? Great idea, 𝐒𝐈. Total 2 and Total 3 are great charts to look at right now. Great idea. Total all-time high. Where's Total 2 at? 1.16 trillion. You know what that means, though? Because we're seeing some things all like back to all-time highs. This means that there are a lot of losers right now in the space. Giggity. Not you guys, not people. Losers coins, meaning they haven't moved. 1.27 trillion. I mean, it's coming. It's coming, but I don't think that it will happen until dominance chills. Like, I think we can move up to 1.27 and just kind of float back down, maybe go back to 1. It's going to be hard. You need no one, Tom. I'm here with you. Armin, I'm here with you right now, my friend. Have you looked at your GPU node AI lately? I don't have what is that? What's up, Quicker? I love you, brother. Just swinging by to say I love you. I love you, my friend. I want to shout out really quick every single one of you, all 136,000, but specifically all of the boys who have been here, everyone who has watched week in, week out on this channel, the people who have been here years. I want to shout you guys out. You guys have kept this channel alive. You've kept me motivated. Shout out to you guys. I love you. And I love all the new people. All the people who haven't even found this channel yet. We're going to make it together. It's not going to be this easy. This is very spicy. But the whole ride is not going to be this easy. There's going to be ups. There's going to be downs. We've got a lot to go. If you feel like you've missed out, you haven't missed out. There's time. These feelings, these times, this is when you feel like you've missed out. Daily motivation super chat at 5 euros. Should you wait for it to drop a little and then investors are too late now? Daily, there's no way. I could give you an answer, but it wouldn't matter. It wouldn't make a difference. If you haven't entered, if you are totally sidelined, the only thing you can do now is DCA. You could DCA very simply. You could just schedule buys, or you could use limit orders. You could stack limit orders down. You could say maybe every 1% you're going to put some kind of limit buy, every 5% or whatever. It's totally up to you, whatever you're comfortable with. Or you could take the plunge, you could just market order in now. It could work out, but like this is the time where the only people who are going to give you answers, or the only people who are going to pretend to have answers, either don't know what they're talking about, they're grifters, or all they care about is that you subscribe, you sign up, you do whatever for them, right? They care what they can get out of you. And that means they're okay lying to you. I'm not okay lying to you. I could give you the spicy answer and I could say, oh yeah, I know for sure it's going to go to 89.9. Nobody knows. I do know that there will be pullbacks on the way. Those pullbacks may bring us under 92.8, but they may not. We don't know. The only thing we can do, boys, is just be happy we packed bags and just chill. Remember, in the bull market, I'll say 90% of the time, maybe 99% of the time, the smartest thing you can do is nothing at all. Like Ned Flanders, nothing at all. Nothing at all. Doing nothing in a bull market is such a strong move. Pepe making some moves here as well, but still under its daily high at psychological resistance. Quad 02. Stupid, sexy Bitcoin. Stupid, sexy Flanders. Stupid, sexy Bitcoin. PP. PP. Where you at, PP? PP actually, I didn't notice that. Retested, retapped. Quad 02. Little red candle here, I wouldn't sweat it. What do you think about Doge Xrp? Dude, Doge is going back to all-time highs. Let's be real. Doge rocking. Crypto military vet, been here since 1819. Before we got to see ya, and it was only ounce in charts. Yeah, that was a long time ago. That was a long time ago. You're fully retired because of this guy? Bro, I mean, I love you guys for saying that. And I know I'm so happy. The happiness in my life comes from helping you guys. But know that you are not successful because of me. You are successful because of you. I might have helped. I might have been a crutch to lean on. But a crutch isn't going to get you anywhere. You got to do the walking, and that's what you did. And that's why you made it. That's why you did it, man. I'm honored to be that crutch. But you are the reason you made it, not me. I love you. I love you, man. Shout out to you. Where's BONK at? I know people asked about it. I forgot. I don't know why the word DeFi is there. BONK still under all-time high. Made a little test here. Looking for a close, let's say, on the week above 375 on BONK. We can get some spicy numbers. Let's do some moon maths. If BONK can close up here, if it can break all-time high, very realistically, we could be looking for a 200% move to the upside. 11148. That's just our 1618. BONK topped out at this same logic, this same analysis that we made before it broke its all-time high, right here, 37.5. Using that same analysis brings us right here. Measured move sits a little bit higher. The problem, it's not a problem, but the problem is that this pullback was nowhere near as deep as the pullback we saw into 2023. Remember, the farther that bowstring goes back, the faster, the longer, the stronger that arrow flies. When you get these tiny pullbacks, you don't set yourself up for as big upsides. That's okay though. It's not the end of the world. You're okay. Again, yes, what's up, Recto? Your mom will be going down significantly. Giggity. Giggity. Shout out to moms. Shout out to moms. Shout out to everybody who's hitting the subscribes today, who's hitting the like button, who's hyping up the stream. You are the G's. I missed so many super chats, guys. I'm sorry. 100-day or no November. Ah, that reminds me. I have to make that tweet. Let's tweet this. Dude, this is such a good tweet. I know. You guys want to keep looking at charts? Me too. But this is such a good freaking tweet. No Nut November canceled. We all failed. We all failed. How can I make this funnier? How can I make this funnier before I tweet it? Where's the funny, guys? How can I spice that up a little bit? That's a 10 out of 20, 20 out of 10 tweet. Add an eggplant. Ooh, an eggplant's not bad. It's perfect as is. It's pretty good. Arrow Ondo. Yes, people throwing change at a coin that costs 93K. You see more profit if you have $1 million to throw at it. I mean, not really. That's not really how percents work, man. Ditch the concept of flat numbers. Ditch the concept of $10,000 move up, or this coin cost 100, this coin cost 1,000, this coin cost 0.0001 cent. Ditch that. It's all about percent move, man. It's not at all about that number. That number you might be mistaking for market cap. That might be a little bit more reasonable of that. You got out of your longs? Come on, dump, says Gary C. Let's go. Find the pig of the frog with a giant green candle cutting out his pants. Oh, I actually have a really good one. I have a great one. Ooh, I'll do that after the stream. I'm not gonna look now. Dodge to $1, probably. We didn't even look at Peanut. It's in the title. I don't think I have a chart for it. Told you, I didn't have any time to prepare. Nah, I didn't even have it. Let's make it. Dude, what is going on with my neck? That plane effed my neck up hard. Check EOS, possible bull flag. I hope so. I hope it's in a bull flag. Maybe, you know what? It might also be the tightness of this this robe sash. It might be why my neck's also a little weird. Maybe make it a little looser. That might take a little pressure off. We're gonna look at Peanut. Who here has Peanut? I don't have any. I got 0 nut. Peanut Nut November. There is a joke there. Probably Mex C has a good history. Not a lot of history. Gary Gensler, not in his pants. I have a good one. I'd have to look through my phone. This is it. Oh, I found it really quick. These memes are like much easier to find now. How about this one? That one's pretty good for No Not November. That's pretty good. What do you think? Good? Peanut's unreal? Yep, we're about to dive in. Should it say No Not November canceled or No Not November wrecked? I think we all failed. Doesn't even need to be in there. I think this might be the final form. And those of you tuning in know this isn't a channel where we just like tweet and whatever. We're getting into the charts. I couldn't give up this opportunity. Such a good tweet. No Net November canceled. Crypto. Pepe with the big old schlong, right? Yeah. Yeah. There it is. Let's fire that off. That's great. That's amazing. All right, we're going to get back into the charts here. That's such a good tweet. Shout out. Who said that, though? You win. Canceled. Yeah, it's still canceled. Yeah, I kept it canceled. Where's the chart? Where's the full chart for this? I guess it might not really matter. I really think I chipped my teeth. I guess it really doesn't matter because when it's on exchange, that data is going to be like more important anyway. Oh, this is nuts. Got to be careful. Nut. So we have Binance. Who has the longest history? We got Binance, we got Mexi, we got Bybit, we got BitGet, we got OKX. BitMEX. Man, they all listed this bitch. Binance lists something, everybody listens. Sucks we don't have an index for it though. Oh well. Probably MEXC. Pnut November. Well, I'm going to be honest with you. Looking at this right now, there's not going to be a lot of charting we can do on this. Robinhood listing XRP probably. We don't have enough history to do jack with this. I was really hoping there'd be more. I didn't hear anybody in Jupiter. Okay. Pancake swap. I don't think I can even see Jupiter. Jumps so quick. Kai and with the peanut. With a peanut. Yeah, I think this is like all we get. I think this is all we get, man. There's not going to be any analysis to do here. We need those big pullbacks. We need like actual moves to look at, right? Like this isn't going to give us anything. Guess we can look at psychological levels. You can look at $2, 253. Man, that's not good though. It's like not enough. Jack was an interesting term. Exactly. Someone look up. Find for me where the longest history is. We'll come back for Peanut. We'll look at GRT because I remember on the last stream a week ago, people wanted to see it. I didn't pull it up. Long looking all right. That did not fly. Nice touch. Looking for 23 cents on the GRT. Got a resistance there. Judging by the rest of this market though, probably gonna see higher. Let's look. March's high sits at 50 cents. That is a pretty real resistance. 50 cents there. You can even see this from back in October. You had accumulation, broke down, tested as resistance, fell. Here's the kind of good news. I'll say if GRT gets above 23, it's going back to March's high at 50 cents. That's a 2x. Break March's high at 50 cents. Looking for a buck. Probably looking for all-time high test. We can do the moon maths though. If we look at 288, our all-time high down to our bear market bottom at 5 cents, that moon math gets crazy. 34. Remember, this target not on the table until all-time high is broken. That's a long way to go. Retest of all-time high, looking really good, honestly, for everything. Looking good for pretty much everything. How do I expect Elon to pump Dodge when Trump is officially president? I don't know, man. 𝐂𝐡 is dead. Maybe. Pepe hanging out, man. Has not sold off from the retest of Zero's 2. Just listed? Yeah, Peanut was just listed. Nobody told me where to find it. It said Jupiter, but I don't think that that's a chart I can look at. CFX over and over and over again. All right. See, all right. We have, everyone wants to look at their coin today. I get it. CFX hasn't done shit. We got a nice trade, probably from when you wanted to see it before. Held its low. All right, break through this 20-cent area, back to 40s, back to 50s. All-time high at 180. No, yeah, 185. Damn, that gives you some craziness. I don't even want to say that. I don't even want to say that moon target up here. That just seems, this seems irresponsible. There it is. I'm not going to say anything. FTM, please. We looked at FTM. Sui, we looked at Sui. Ape? We haven't looked at Ape. Elon is pumping Peanut, by the way. Look, I mean, like, bro, what logic could you possibly use for that? How is he pumping Peanut? I have no proof. I have nothing to counter that with other than, like, bro, like, in what way? Just tell me. Come with some fact. Come with a little fact there. Why Dodge not making a new high? Because Doge already pumped his brains out, man. Pumped his brains out. It's still right here at the high. I don't know. You guys you can already feel the bull market impatience coming in. Like people are like getting frazzled when it chills for a second, man. Think about this. If coins just continue to gain the same way they've been gaining, they just be at infinity by like, I don't know, January. They just be at infinity. That's not how it works. Elon said America was saved by a squirrel and a meme coin. I feel like he was probably referring to Doge, but like, I don't know. A squirrel. He's talking about the actual squirrel. The Peanut the squirrel, not Peanut the meme coin. Like, you know, enjoy, feel good about it. You bought it, it's up, good. But like, guys, don't be delusional. Like, Elon Musk doesn't know what Peanut the meme coin is. Come on, dude. Come on. Turbo near all-time high. Got alerts here. Back tested previous resistance as support. Seems like it's holding. I think Turbo's going to 2. Going to 2. Currently at 0088. Yeah, they are tripping. Bad Baptist. But you know what, dude? That's the bull market, man. Everybody tripping. Everybody getting crazy, thinking like, I don't know. Elon Musk said the word, said tree in one of his posts, and that means squirrels live in trees, and so just chill, guys. Just chill. Things are going up. You don't need to like come up with like these kind of crazy concepts for things to go up. They're going up. Don't get delusional. It's okay. AAVE, what are you doing? Wow, this chart is so old. Look at all these lines. That's giving me a headache. I'm just closing it. What's up, Mr. F? Craig Wayne, V-Mill Music, how you doing? Michael Feeney. When's usually the right time to get out of coins like Doge and SHIB? That's like not really a question there's answers to. When you're in profit, start DCAing out, man. When you're in profit, that's all that matters. Just start taking, trim your positions, get a little profit. The magic sauce in the bull market is to get your principal out of your investments. If you put $100 into something, it's gone up 2x. Maybe you take 100 out. Now you have no skin in the game. Your bag is free. You have free coins. If it keeps going up forever, you've made infinite dollars. If it never goes up again, you've lost nothing. It's that easy. If you just sold your Bitcoin by mistake, Gene Forden, don't worry, man. Not a bad time to accidentally sell it, dude. Got the first red candles in a while. I wouldn't beat yourself up. Empire token. Never heard of it, Imran. Don't chase green, exactly. Don't do it. What you should do is subscribe to this channel. If this plays, like if this is exactly what happens here, I don't even know what to tell you. This is what we're looking for. 95K is like end of year target. Could hit today. This is like the logical move though. However, be warned. Bull runs are not logical. To expect logical moves is pretty chaos. Pretty wild. Things are gonna get really irrational. I'll be honest with you. I have Tether and I have USDC. Like, I'm not 100% all in because I don't believe in being all in or all out. I always hold on to a little bit of either side, no matter what happens. That way, you can just sit comfortably in your position. You can know, okay, if it doesn't keep going, it's all right. I can buy it lower. I can scoop up, right? But if you're all in, you can't do that. You have to have price continue up or you're screwed. COQ. Someone was just saying COQ's dead. You can't save a fool. No, you can't. Ton coin. All right. We haven't looked at Ton in a while. I just got a message from Blowfin. They want to do a partnership. All the exchanges are up my butt again. Things are getting spicy. Ton coin looks like a little double bottom here from September into maybe this month. That is spicy. Toncoin broke low This is really, really ugly, but with the rest of the market, it's hard to believe this. This feels like a liquidity hunt. The problem I'll have here is we've seen a rally. It brought us to 570. That is exactly October's open. That is exactly September's rejection. It's right to resistance. If Notcoin can move above 570 and close this month, it's looking phenomenal back to its all-time high, or at least back to 770. Phenomenal. That does look like a liquidity hunt, considering total crypto market cap just hit a new all-time high for the first time. It is a weird bet to short. It's a weird bet down. There are no guarantees. I don't like where it rejected from, but I don't think it's a big ask to say, okay, I'd rather buy this at 570 than 535. Like, I'd rather buy it just above 570 than 535. Look at this momentum on the week. That waning selling momentum since September. Money flow priming up here on the week. Notcoin. Yeah. Close above 570. Look for 760, something like that. Break your all-time high. And we've got targets, boys. We've got targets for days. This is invalidated. We have a lower low. Let's move them up. Break your all-time high. You're looking at 12.18 as your 1618. You're looking at 1542 as your measure move target. You zoom out and you see, okay, you broke all-time high. Use your 1618, 1850. If I have some TON, I'll tell you right now, TON trades to 1850. I'll sell some of my bag. My position sucks in this. It's probably like $6. I'll sell a third of it. I'll sell a third of my position at 1850 if it hits. Do you think you can break all-time high? Could, can. I can say yes, but like it's meaningless. You know what I mean? It's like meaningless for me to say that. Everything realistically can break all-time high. Dude, why did TradingView's rugging us, man? It's done this to so many charts now. What the fuck? Dude, why? Why? Yeah, negative $174. That makes sense. That's where I put the stop loss. Ruined all these trades. I do have pictures of most of them anyway. Guys, real quick, shill, join our Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. It's free. Costs you nothing. If you sign up with any of our affiliate links in the video description below, or even in the Discord, you will get into our exclusive private trading group. Costs you nothing. Who makes you that offer? Nobody. Ain't nobody make you that offer. There we go. Do it now. Join our fam. We've been live on YouTube for 5 years. We stream Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, typically at 1 p.m. East. We're live early because it's spicy. I'm really glad we went live early. Glad we didn't miss that, man. The most important thing in crypto happened while we were live today. Right here. It happened in this hour. Crypto hit a new all-time high in market cap. Cryptocurrency in the bull run finally. Can do it. New to your channel, how high do you think SEI can go? I don't pull up SEI. You weren't the only one to ask about it. Yikes. SEI right in resistance. Let's get rid of some of this. Dollar. All right, if SEI breaks its all-time high, 114, into this bull run, could see as high as 330. Like peak bull run, maybe 650. While these by no means will guarantee you the top, they're not magic. They're not crystal 8 ball. What they are is very consistent at pointing out great places, great prices to take some profit. There it is. Very easy, very simple. However, not on the table until all-time high is broken. All-time high not broken, these targets, they're just hypothetical. Got to break 114. I don't know if I have SEI, but if I do, I will look to take a little profit here at 330 if it hits, 650 if it hits, However, here's the caveat. I will still not be out of my position here. Say it does this, right? I will sell, I don't know, like 25%, maybe 50%. I'll still have a little bag. Because while this is the best tool that I'm aware of, that I've ever used to figure out or kind of divine targets at all-time high, by no means do they guarantee the top, right? So just use these logically. Use them in your trading plan. That's really all I ask. Use those extensions in your trading plan. Plan around it. Plan that maybe they don't hit, right? Make a plan. Use these, because if you don't use these, you're really just picking a number out of the sky. Could be any number. These will help you. It's good stuff. Look at that hour. Oh, that's not the hour. 15. We're not done, boys. Little sell-off on the 15 here, back to our only red candle before our only order block. 195. 91.5. I think a scalp trade can be made here. Just back to 93.1. I'm not going to take that trade. Oh, this is already filled. So this is actually kind of it. This is kind of it in the short term. Let's see what happens. If we can move back to 93.1, retake that high. I mean, 95 is really it. Yep. Look at that. Look at that confluence, bro. Even on this 5-minute pullback, your measured move right there, 95. Right there. At our range measure move. Wow. Wow. Loose. Eat, hold, sleep. Don't you love me anymore, Ondo? We looked at Ondo, bro. Oh, my neck is killing me. We've been live like 2+ hours. We're doing good. Made some good tweets. Let's see. Will Bitcoin retrace soon? I mean, arguably, yes was right. Arguably. Didn't, you know, like we have had this little sell-off. I kind of think though that people that voted yes here are thinking more, right? Thinking more. What's up, Ahmed? Bob Saget, CBK Woohoo. David Brum, Digital Asset DJ, Dom, Foxy Daddy, Phoenix, Gold Dragon, Janix. What's up, bro? Joe Gusto. The hype's dying down a little bit. Probably because my hype's dying down a little bit. I'm losing my voice. Still waiting for alt season. Alt season may still be time away. We may not be there yet. Dominance still rallying, still going. If you haven't yet, guys, please make sure you've liked the stream. Make sure you're subscribed. If you subscribe while we're live, this will roll over in real time. And it will pop up on the stream right around here. I'll shout you out. It's a very good time. For instance, Vishal subscribed. IMH subscribed. Outlook Ha subscribed. Reets Durden subscribed. Got a lot of names. Keep them coming. God, I think I need to take like a hot bath. Relax these shoulders. Here we go. This is what I'm looking for in the next move. Live trade still up 7K. A spicy 7K. 335%. Let's go. Let's go. Should I close it? Should I keep it open? Probably gonna close it. Probably gonna keep it open. All right, I'm getting goofy, man. I was like, probably gonna close it. No, I'm not. I'm not about to close it. What's up, Christopher Stars? At what point did I feel comfortable with my net worth? Bro, I'll let you know when I hit there. I'll let you know when I get there, man. By the way, who's been watching since the beginning, and who saw this happen? Who saw this happen live? Like we aren't down here at 89.9. We're not down there yet. But who saw us hit that 1618 and then immediately turn around? The fib is nothing to mess with, man. The fib tool, if you like fade the fib tool, mercy have you. Mercy, God help you. The fib tool is what's up. If you haven't gone to the channel page, which maybe you haven't yet, if you haven't gone to our channel, Tom Crown, youtube.com/TomCrown. If you haven't gone there, you'll see the mobile stream, you'll see the main stream. If you haven't checked out the playlists, trading course for beginners, full trading course.
If you're trading
Check out these banger videos, man.
Based on price action, then this one indicator will be your holy grail. It will
High
automatically
quality videos on so many different topics. Check them out. This full trading course has everything you could ask for. How to trade smart money, fair value gaps, fib. I was just talking about fib, trend lines, buy side, sell side liquidity, Elliott wave, support and resistance, liquidity, divergence, break and retest, VWAP, order blocks, everything. They're all bangers. Check them out after the live. Check them out. A little shill of myself there. Wonder how much longer my voice will last. Pepe is making the frogs gay. Yeah, Pepe is going to break out again, guys. I honestly think that. Beautiful down wicks here. Let me get rid of this on the hour because it's just... I hate the way it makes the screen look busy. There we go. Terry says, you just look like you smell bad. Thanks, Terry. Thank you, whoever you are, man. Appreciate that. Don't just like the weirdest weirdos come out when things get spicy. Look, that was his first message ever on this stream. All right, bro. You look like you're poor, Terry. You look like a poor. You smell bad. Oh, bro. Bruh. Pepe, dude. Pepe gonna retest that high here today. Aiming higher, baby. Come on, total. Come on, baby. Here's my first message. What's up, Daniel? Looks like you can afford it to me. I can afford to smell bad. I like that. I like that a lot. What's up? I saw Plane just join the Discord. Jump in there, fam. Which coin is that? This is total crypto market cap, brother. Just broke all-time high while we were in stream. The biggest, most important thing to happen. I don't even know how long. 4 years. It's big news. Moneymaker, you've been using our educational videos forever. They're the best, to the point, in depth. Absolutely. They're free. That's really the best part, is they're free. Everybody else charges you. We don't charge for ours. We could. Maybe we will someday, but nah, man. I want you guys to get good first. Yeah, XRP. I didn't look at it yet. Good call. Man, my voice is going. Damn, XRP. XRP closed the day above 69 cents. Nice. Looks like it might finally be breaking out of this. Get rid of that. Had some baller trades on the XRP. Yeah. Closed above 69 on this week. Not even this week, man. Looking for like $1. Looking for $1. XRP's got a lot of room. Cheers, Joe. Cheers to you, my friend. Even XRP's going, I know. You don't deserve to sniff crowns. Thank you, Bob. That's funny as shit. I love you guys. You gotta be being ignored, Michael. Nah, dude, look, we got multiple chats. Like we got the vertical stream, we got the horizontal stream. This one's much more busy. If you want your comments read, you gotta go on the horizontals. You gotta go on the mainstream. I try to cover both, but like, dude, I can barely cover one. Vet coding. All right, pull up that. I can barely cover one stream while I'm live, man. You prefer to smell like... Yeah, I smell bad because I smell like... redacted. 2 cents. Yeah, Vet. I don't know, like... Vet's still down. I wouldn't lose hope. Yeah, I've said a few times in this stream, guys. The biggest trap in the bull cycle is seeing your coin not run and watching other coins run and being like, oh, I picked the only losing horse. And what happens is you end up selling here, right? You're up, let's say you're up like a few percent, right? You sell here and you jump into Pepe, you jump into Peanut, you jump into something that's like really up and hyping. Almost every time, like clockwork, The minute you sell and jump into something else, that other thing stops pumping, goes sideways, maybe goes down a little, and then your coin goes up. It is a tale as old as time in crypto. Be careful. If you absolutely cannot fight the urge to jump into something else, I beg you, at least consider only selling half of your position in whatever it is. Maybe a quarter. I would say just don't do any, but not all in, not all out. Because I swear to God, it is like the market watches you. And the second you do this, it starts to move. What's the mainstream? You just got to navigate to the channel page. The mainstream is horizontal. You can see a lot more of the chart. You, Michael, right now are on the mobile stream page. Mobile stream, dude. I can't speak. I probably need to end the stream soon. But go to the channel page. You'll see right here. You're on this one. It's very thin, very tall. This is the main one. Go here. More viewers. More screen is visible. Can you see my portfolio, 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭 𝐎𝐳? Bruh. Your portfolio, your holdings are between you and God. Never ever show people how much Bitcoin, how much crypto you have. Don't ever do it. There's nothing to gain. The only thing it can do is make you a target. Don't do it. You love good comedy crypto chat. Keep it coming. Dude, I know. Comments get wild when the market moves up. Wild, dude. I hate to do it. I want to be here all day, fam. I want to be here all day. I hate to do it. I gotta at least keep a little bit of my voice for when we break out again. You know, when we get to 95, when we get to 100. Here's what I want you to do. Subscribe to this channel right now. You're not going to make it more valuable. Subscribe. I'm telling you. This community will help you get to the top. Join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. It's free. 24/7, people are chatting in there, nerding out about crypto and charts. It's the place for you. Then sign up with any of the partners in the video description below, like our sponsor, 𝐒𝐿𝐴, or any of the exchanges. There's more links. If you already have those things, there's more links in the Discord. It doesn't have to cost you anything. Just services you use, like an exchange doesn't cost you anything. Sign up and you will get into our exclusive VIP private group in the Discord. You cannot buy your way in. There's no other way in. That's it. When you use the affiliate links in our partners there, it helps the stream. I get some of the exchange's money. It doesn't cost you anything. We're using these things anyway. That's the only way in. Do it. We're going to be live again very, very soon. What's up, Mitch? Mitch Hendricks, Rodney Love, Thomas Regines. We're going to be live again maybe later today. Certainly Friday we'll be live. If we break to, spicy numbers, we'll be live again. Don't worry, I won't sleep. But I need to give my voice a break. I need to eat some food. We have been live. Holy crap, it's noon. I went live at like 9:30. Shit. All right. It's time. Either way, remember, you're going to feel a lot of things in this run. You're going to feel some euphoria. You're going to feel a lot more fear than you expect. When you're feeling those things, do yourself a favor. Relax. Go do something else. Go take a walk, play with a puppy, talk to a girl, whatever it is. And then come back with a clean mindset. And if you feel the same way, then go ahead, do whatever decision you want to do. FOMO ins, FOMO out, whatever. Just take a break, do yourself this favor. And remember that in a bull run, 99% of the time, the most profitable move you can make is doing nothing at all. That lesson's going to help you out here in the next few months. All right, fam, I love you. Thank you for tuning in. Retail will be here soon. They're not quite here. But I appreciate each and every one of you that tuned in, especially the new people. Shout out to you. I will see you guys soon.